If you're in the market for a real concealed carry pistol, and when I say concealed, I'm not talking about a compact pistol that people claim they carry every day and is easily lost on them. But when you sit in your car or sit at your desk, you experience extreme discomfort. This is an excellent option. This is the Taurus TCP 380. Now, a number of persons out there have various opinions on Taurus, but at $150, I was willing to try this pistol. You can see this pistol online anywhere from $150 to $225. At that figure, I think you can take a chance. I did, and I'm not disappointed. So this pistol weighs less than 10 ounces with an empty magazine. With 6 rounds and 1 in the chamber, it weighs about 12.5 ounces. It's a hammer-fired, double-action only pistol, which also is something I like. I sometimes am a little bit concerned about a striker-fired pistol, appendix carry, with no safety. It also has no safety. So the fact that it's a hammer-fired pistol that requires you to pull all the way back here, to pull the hammer back and then let it down, that I like. This pistol, in my opinion, despite the fact that persons believe Taurus is a questionable manufacturer, and they may be, but on this particular one, I think this is a well-made pistol. The pistol comes with one magazine. This one, I added to it a pierce grip for $7. So I now have enhanced purchase on this grip. I still have a second magazine, Metgar mag, for those situations where I want to keep it a very short grip for concealment. Takedown of this is as simple as I am doing here. I use my very little fingernails to hold on to this pin. I pull it out. I let down and slide the slide off. I want you to pay attention to the metal structure here on which the slide glides. There are not many big names that give you this much metal. A number of very expensive pistols give you 2 little pieces here and 2 little pieces here. This is a very ample rail for this pistol to glide on for what you invest. It's hammer fired, not striker fired. And by the way, the trigger here, even in the dreaded double action, is very smooth. Very nice trigger. You get a stainless steel barrel. You get a steel guide rod, not polymer. When you look inside of this pistol, it is well made. To give you a size comparison, this is the pistol next to my mobile phone. This is a pistol next to my wallet. This is a pistol in my palm. This is indeed an awesome micro pistol. This is a pistol next to my full-size pistol. If you're in the market for a very concealable pistol that you can carry virtually everywhere with you without being noticed and without the discomfort of carrying a full-size or compact pistol, the Taurus TCP is an excellent choice.